The best time of year has officially arrived. That's right, it's holiday season here at the Home Depot, which means huge savings on all your favorite RYOBI tools. I'm talking BOGOs, special buys, new lower prices, and everything you'll need for this gift giving season. Let's go check it out. Now, speaking of savings, our first stop here at the RYOBI Gift Center is where you'll find all of our BOGO deals. Right now, when you buy any one of these 3 qualifying kits, you get your choice of one of 13 different tools absolutely free. And these qualifying kits include the 18-volt 1 Plus 2 amp hour and 4 amp hour battery kit, the 18-volt 1 Plus 2 tool combo kit, and the 18-volt 1 Plus HP brushless 450 CFM blower kit. So whether you need extra batteries, power tools, or some lawn care essentials, we've got you covered. Now, when it comes to those free tool options, we've got a wide variety of choices here, including some of your favorites like this 18-volt 1 Plus 13-inch string trimmer edger, the perfect 2-in-1 to add to your lawn care collection. We've also got the 18-volt 1 Plus Vortex power scrubber for any and all cleaning, and the 18-volt 1 Plus multi-tool, perfect for your DIY projects, home renovations, and so much more. And of course, all the tools you see on this back wall here are powered by the same 18-volt 1 Plus battery, the system with over 300 compatible RYOBI tools. Now let's go take a look at some of those special buys and new lower prices. Now, whether you're looking to start your own tool collection or shopping for a loved one, there's no better place to start than this 18-volt 1 Plus 6-tool combo kit. This kit includes all your essentials, including a drill driver, impact driver, circular saw, reciprocating saw, multi-tool, light, 2 batteries, and a charger, all for only $199. That's $100 in savings, plus all the essentials you need to start out your tool collection. Now, you know we couldn't forget about you folks in the USB lithium system, and right here you have the perfect stocking stuffer, whether you're looking for lights, fans, speakers, inflators, and so much more. Now, with over 24 products, the USB lithium system provides everyday solutions with rechargeable power. And the savings don't stop there. We've got awesome deals all throughout the RYOBI Gift Center, like this 350 CFM blower kit, a high pressure and dual function inflators, drilling and driving accessories, your favorite HP brushless tools, and of course, you can never have too many 1 Plus batteries to keep you powered and ready to go. Be sure to check out homedepot.com for exclusive online savings. Like, share, and subscribe, and happy holidays.